Being the best is not just about winning. It's about pushing yourself beyond what you thought was your limit. To work harder, move faster, and tap into the resources you need to get better. In 2019, when we were talking about how great a year we had, ended up talking with Matt, and then Matt started telling me what he was doing. It was at another level, and we're like, damn. About November, December is when we really started considering, hey, if we join Groundworks, what could we do together?
AFS has always been overwhelmingly dominant in all of our markets, but we're not satisfied with where we are now.
Groundworks brings resources that will allow us to continue to get better and better over time.
And I think it'll help unify us within AFS.
And it gives us the options to capture different markets, basically taking the competition and making them obsolete.
We're not just going to take over Alabama, take over Tennessee. We are going to dominate the entire Southeast, and we want to be a part of the platform that dominates the entire country.
So we're going to go more from a regional to a national platform.
And candidly, we believe the combination of these two businesses is not 1 + 1 = 2, it's 1 + 1 = 4.
And guys, it's going to run over anyone that is not a part of it.
The AFS team is unusual. They're young, aggressive, and smart. What this partnership will allow us to do is leverage our infrastructure, our size and our scale, and give them opportunity to go into Florida, to go into Georgia, to go into Atlanta, to go into Kentucky, and allow the great AFS team to grow and expand like Ben has already started, but on a whole different level.
That's what excited me. I've been in this industry for 20 years, and I've never seen an opportunity like this.
I'm most excited for all the young people.
Everyone in our group has dedicated a lot to AFS.
And we'll be able to provide things for them that, at a faster pace than ever before.
We can all see the opportunities that are available to all of us.
That potential for growth and for personal development among our staff.
The career path, no matter what field you're in, whether it's accounting, HR, sales, production, it doesn't matter. The path is laid out here and is much broader than AFS has ever had the opportunity to do it.
And also to be part of something that hasn't been done before.
Now they're going to be able to go all over the Midwest, all up and down the East Coast. And here we come, baby, we're going to the West Coast.
So if you want to go to the next level personally, it's there. It's all a question of how good can you be and what value can you put back into the till.
We have only scratched the surface of our potential. It's time the industry sees what we are fully capable of. Together, we will unite and conquer.